Hi, welcome to this course. So in this course, I will discuss about how to create a website in few minutes and using artificial intelligence. So I have just created this website. This is an online marketplace education website. In this website, so basically any student they can search for product like any course from over here, and these are the featured courses which are listed on this website, and this is really very beautiful. Like, it is showing the details, bestseller, new, and this is the wish list, and this is the information it is showing. So, and also anyone can register as an instructor to sell their courses on this website. So this website I have just created in few minutes using the artificial intelligence website builder. So, and okay, so I just used this website, that is easysite.ai, and this is, you can just use it for start for free, and you can build your website in seconds. And here you can see there are two options. One is using text and another is using image. So you can just upload an image and it will generate the website. Okay, using this image as well. So this is the text. You can mention the text over here, whatever. You just need to describe what website you want to create. Okay, so I made this website using WordPress, and in this course I told you like how to create a free online education website. So it took me around 2 hours to complete this website, but I used this easy site power builder. So it took on, and I created this website, that is education online education marketplace. So here you can see I just gave this instruction, and it took only 2 to 3 minutes, and it created this very beautiful website. Okay, so that's the difference, that's the technology. uh, this is the beauty of artificial intelligence and of this website. So here you can see this is really very beautiful. Even what the thing I like is this course information. If I will compare from over here, so like it is showing some very less information, but over here it is showing all of the information. Like, this is new course, this is 75% off on this course, anyone can add to wish list. And here you can see this is the rating it is showing, time it is showing, duration of this course, how many lessons it has, this is the price, and this is for intermediate to advanced. Add to cart, user can click on add to cart from over here. This is the price. So this is really looking very beautiful. So but I was not able to, I can do this for that extra tool, but that's required some additional time to implement. It can take another 15 to 20 minutes, and it can happen also. Okay, but it gave me this very beautiful website within few minutes. Okay, so that's the advantage of using artificial intelligence. I am just going to do that. Before that, I just want to tell you about myself. So I'm Yogesh, and this is my Udemy account. I have created, I have in my previous, courses, I have told you about how to build a free online education website, free e-commerce website to sell digital downloads, WordPress. These I created using WordPress. Okay. So, and in this course, I will show you by using artificial intelligence website builder website. Okay. So, and so this is the website I have just created. So I just need to give the instruction to it. Okay, if I you will see This is my another account. So I just gave the instruction, build an online education marketplace website where people can sell their online courses and students can buy the online courses published from different instructors. So it just created the website in few minutes for me, and here you can see this is the logs, like it created the website. So this is the technology nowadays, because artificial intelligence is booming nowadays, and it's very beneficial. You just need to access a website from anywhere, and you just don't need to hire any developer to create a website for you or build a website for you. Also, you don't need to give very uh, good money to software development company. Okay, so and you can just create the websites in minute, and this is very customizable. If you will see, this is the code. If you know the coding, then you can change the code, you can download the files. Okay, but there's no need of coding as well. You just need to give the instruction and it will do the anything for you. It will do anything for you. So here you can see, so I have just created some website. Okay, so okay, let me just show you like how does it work. So I'm saying build a calculator app. Okay, so I have just written this. I have just given this instruction to it. Build a calculator app. This is because it will take less time. Okay, it will take only few minutes and it will create the calculator app. I'm just showing you how does it work. So once you will give the instruction to it, it will just immediately starting creating or building the app. You don't need to wait for long time. And okay, so in the past was around 10 years back, what used to happen if someone wants to develop a website. So first of all, they need to search for a developer or a software development company. Then they need to approach them and do all they just need to tell their requirement, like what type of website they want to build. And after that, they just got the invoice from them. And once the software they got, basically if there is some modification, so they just need to give it. So that was very time consuming, you know approaching the company, approaching the developer, do the communication. So that was very time consuming things. And even the company, they used to charge a very large amount of money. So but nowadays this is the technology. You can just use your website, your laptop or mobile, and you can just access this website, and it will create an application or website for you in a few minutes. So here you can see this is the calculator app it has created for me, and I'm just going to publish it so that it will get saved. Here you can see I just need to click on this. Another option is I can bind it to a custom domain if I want to publish it on my some domain. So I will click this. So these are my deployed sites, and this is the domain which I have entered. If you want to use your domain, what you need to do is you just need to click on new domain, and you just need to select the custom domain. Over here you just need to enter your domain name, like I have entered realestates.com, and you can just click on create now. After get create now, you will get this option and it will display this CNAME error, because in the web hosting service plan you just need to go to the DNS settings, and in the DNS settings you just need to add a CNAME record with this value. You just need to add this value in a new CNAME record. After that, you will be able to bind this website to your domain. Okay, and you can use in the WordPress to make some changes if you want. Otherwise, whatever the changes you want, you can just give the instruction over here in your website. You can give the instruction over here whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is the application. Here you can see this is the perfectly working application, and you have got it few minutes, and you can customize it. You can give the instruction whatever you want. If you don't like this color, you can just give the instruction over here. Okay, like uh, so this is the one thing. So I just want to show you the another website which I have just created. You can create any type of website or app you want. So I just created this calculator. Another I also created another calculator. Just I was checking. Okay, so this is some advanced functions, and this is the education website. So this is the instruction which I gave it to it, like build an online education marketplace website. And this is the software or an application which I created to convert the Microsoft Word file to PDF converter. So what it does is you can upload your Microsoft Word document and it will convert into the PDF. So, okay, and another is this is interior designer portfolio. So you can just use some templates on this website which is available. I will show you how to do that. So this is the some interior designer template I used. You can use it. And this is the converter website which I created. Basically, it converts any image file to PDF and PDF to Word. So, and you can customize anything on it. Okay, so just let me open it in a new tab, and here you can see. So anything you can customize on this page, like you can add your ads on this page. So I'm just you can drag and drop your file over here and it will convert to PDF. So I'm just selecting some image file which I want to convert into PDF file. So just for example, I'm just using this. So here you can see it is converting the image to PDF file. Now it has converted in very few seconds. It's very fast. So I'm just going to download the file, and this is the file. Here you can see it is .pdf. So it has converted the image into PDF, and I can just click on it and I can just see it. Okay, so like this, you can create any type of application using this website. This is very powerful website, and you just need to give the instruction to it and it will create websites for you in few minutes. And after that, once you will make the website, so you can just publish it, and you can make the modification if you want to make the modification from your own, or you can just give the instruction to it and it will do the modification for you. As an example, I just gave it an instruction: create a beautiful border to this element, selected element. So this is the beautiful border I asked it to create. You can just click on edit and you can just click on select element. And so if you want to add another functionality, like I just want to add another option to convert the PDF to image. So what I need to do is I just need to give the instruction to it. I will add, ask it to please add a functionality of converting PDF file to image converter also on the same page. Also add the about us page. So basically I just need to give the information about us page if I want to add it, but I'm just giving this instruction. So you can just give the any instruction to it, and after that just press the enter and it will do the things in few minutes. Okay, so here you can see without wasting any time, it is just creating the code and it is adding the functionality to the website, and within few minutes it will do whatever you will ask it to do by writing the instructions. So it will take few minutes. So I just want to tell you about the next website, that is Tinder's website I made. So I'm just going to open it. So I just gave it the instruction to create a website like Tinder. You can check over here. I want to build a website or app like a Tinder with features of swapping the profiles. I just gave this information. If I will give more description, like what the features should be, what the pages should be, you can use the chat GPT and you can just create a description, or you can write whatever you want and you can just give the instruction and it will do. So here you can see this is the website it has created. I can just add more functionality by asking it, by giving the instruction to it, or by using some WordPress, by connecting it and deploying it to WordPress, and after that I can just do the changes as I want. So like I can just click on this, send messages, these are the options. So it have just give me the structure or design of the website, and it's up to me like what I can modify and customize to make it more functional and more, you know, very good like. So like it has giving me the structure, like I can just scroll the matches or profiles. I can just select yes, like or dislike, favorite, start again. So this functionality it has given, and it can also give more, like if I will ask the instruction over here. And so next, so okay, let's check if it has created the functionality or not. So it's almost done. Here you can see it is loading. It has created these components. It has added the code to the website, and here you can see. So just let me open it into a new tab. So here you can see this is the about us page which I asked it to create. So I think it was already there, so that's fine. And it has added this PDF to image. Okay, and I can just add any PDF file over here and I can convert it to image. Okay, so let's try. So like this is the PDF file, and now it is converting. So invalid PDF structure. So there's some issue with the PDF file structure. So let me try with some other file. So here you can see it has successfully converted to image format, and I'm just clicking on download file. Sometimes there's issue with the structure, like there are some invalid values like underscore that create issue. Okay, so now it has been completed. Here you can see the format of the file is .png. So it is opening that file. So this is, here you can see this is .png file. It has converted from PDF to PNG file in few minutes. So that is the beauty of this website. It works very fine and great. It converts the website. It makes the website in very less time. Okay, so I'm just so I have used this image just to try like what website it will create, because I used this option. Instead of giving the instruction using text, I used the image and I uploaded that image. Okay, here you can see project from image. So it is creating the website for it, and it is saying it will create in few minutes. So let's see what website it will create, because the image that is sale is live online courses, enroll now. So this is for the experts teachers.com banner for promotion. So I have just used it. So it is creating the website matching the online course promotion image. Okay, so it is creating the website. So let's see, it will take another 1 or 2 minutes. So let's see what it will create, what the final output we will get as a website. So it is doing all the important work, like creating index.html, creating the styles components, and it is creating the pages, home.js, javascript. So like this you can also use the image if you have some mockup files or some like Figma or any mockup files you have. So you can just use that and you can create the website using the image as well. instead of giving the instruction. So it is just generating a site. It will take some time, few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So it is doing all the coding which is necessary. Now it is verifying the website. Here you can see. So from over here we can just come to know what it is actually doing. Here it is creating these pages or components, styles. Here it is verifying the website. Here it is updating the components. Again it is verifying the website. So it has created like this website. So it has created the new website, that is experts teachers and sale is live online courses. Okay, this is really looking very nice. So I'm just going to open it in. First of all, I'm just going to deploy it so that my changes will get saved. And here you can see, so this is really looking very nice website with some here it is the logo and these are the pages and this is the enroll now button. So and this is the limit time offer, this is the time controller timer, and this is the button to get enroll. And again this is really looking very nice and beautiful. Here you can see, so it's very colorful. So if I will compare with my website which I created through using WordPress, this is looking fine also, but this is looking much more design is very good, you know. The combination of color I like, although it has created as per the image I gave it to it, like this was the image which I gave it to it, the red color and yellow color. So it will do as per the color combination of image you will provide it. So here you can see this is really looking very nice, and you can customize it. Whatever the information you want, you can just add over here and change the information after deploying it to WordPress. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just going to tell you about, so basically it comes with a free plan, but if you want to upgrade the features, so you can just go click on upgrade. And once you will click on upgrade, so here are these some plans, they have more features, like I have bought this plan premium and it cost me $49 per month. And it's up to me, like it's subscription based plans, like if next month I don't want to use it, so I can just cancel my subscription. So it's like whenever I need this, so I can just use it for that month, and if I don't need, then I can cancel the subscription. And there are some, like it has 120 messages, it has 300, so these are some features. But this is really very good, like instead of paying too much amount to software development company or to a software developer, this is still, the price is very low as per the features it is providing. Okay, I can create the website in few minutes and I don't need to go anywhere, I don't need to search for any developer, I don't need to go any software company. Okay, so it's all very easy for me. So you can go for free plan. And okay, so next is, these functions. So publish, I told you to publish it on the, to deploy this website on this website, easy site, or wherever you want to. So these are the options, like easy site you want to publish on, or on, or to Hostinger, or to WordPress, or to Netlify. So these are some option, you can just click on deploy now. Okay, just I am going to deploy it so that the changes will, and you can bind this custom domain with your domain. Now it is like this. If you have to bind it, so you just need to click over here, and from here you can just click on new domain and you can add the domain, and you just need to do this some settings in your DNS server, and you can then bind the domain. Okay, next is, so this is the database option. You can just click on it if you want to set the database. So you just need to click on enable database, and these are the options like where you want to enable. Okay, so these are some options now right now, and this is the custom knowledge. You can add the custom knowledge over here. This is the assets, like you can add the image, videos, others, any other file. Okay, you can add the files over here to this website, and this is the custom domains which I just told you now, and you can just create a new domain or you can bind. This is the option from over here. This is the chat bot enabled. Here you can see this is the chat bot, and I have, you can just set it on or off as per your requirement. I have just set it on, and this is the option, like I have, you can enter the details, knowledge base, how may I help you. Okay, for the automation automating reply, you can just set the values. So this is the chatbot. Okay, and you can just click on settings, and this is the webhook. You can check the URL of your website and create a webhook, and you can test the webhook. After that, you can click on save. This is the SEO, that is search engine optimization. Favicon is the image icon right now of this website. Is icon is this red one. You can change any image over here. This is called favicon. Okay, like this or this image you can just upload, and its pixel should be 32 by 32, and these are formats which it accepts, and these are the title which what the title you want. This is for the search engine optimization, so that your website will come into the top rank in the Google searches. And so you just need to give the title tag, meta description, open graph settings. So these are some options for the search engine optimization. You can just use over here, and after that you can click on save. After that, this is the option of send mail. Send mail, this is the official server type. What is the server type of your email, whether it's official, resend, or SMTP. By default it is official, but you can set it as per your requirement. Next is database. So right now the database is enabled. You can disable, it cannot be changed when it is disabled. Here you can see once the database is set up, it can neither be shut down nor have its type changed. Okay, so you just need to be very careful if because I have set it to easy site database, so now I am not able to change it. But still, if you face any issue, so what you can do is you can just go to the support. If I will go to the home page, so like if I will click on home page, so you will find an option of this is the support. Okay, so if you face any issue, then you can just if you want to change the database, then you can contact the support and they will help you. So next is the Stripe. So Stripe is basically used for the payment gateway. So if your website accepts any payment, so what you can do is you can create a Stripe account, and from your account you can get a API key which you can paste over here, and after that you can click on save. So once any user will make the payment on your website, so you can receive it through Stripe payment gateway. Next is third party integration. So on your website, so it's up to you what type of login you can allow. Like if anyone can log in with a Google, so you can just enable it, and you just need to enter these details from your Google account, like Google client ID and client secret. That you also can do through Facebook login. For the Facebook login, you just need to enter the client ID and client secret. These are very easy to get. You can just search in the Google to get the client ID and client secret for Facebook login, and there will be a topic. By going through, you can just get it easily from your account. And this is the Google Map. If you want to use the Google Map in your on your website, so you can use it by entering the Google API key over here. Okay, so these are some settings and important settings. So next is, so here this is the option you can just duplicate the current project. So it will create the duplicate copy of your project. Uh, Next is project admin. So if you will click on this, it will go to the dashboard, and it will display the tables. And so this will be the system auth users. You can add the data from over here, like name, email, phone number, password. You can just create some users, okay, for your website. And is activated, you can just create time is activated. You can activate or deactivate those users. Okay, so these are the tables, and this is the dashboard. So and next, as I told you, this is for the full screen, and this is for the mobile view, and this is the select element if you have to select any element. And edit is for, like, you can edit the element if you want to edit, like this is showing red color. And this is for the code. If you want to download the file, you can download. If you have to upload this file to somewhere else, then you can download the file. Or if you have to make any changes to the coding, if you know coding, then you can also do that. Okay, so and next is, so let me just go to the settings over here. So here you can see this is for the websites. This is for help and support. If you want any help, then you can contact them. These are your projects, and this is the setting button for your account. Okay, and there's one more important thing, that is templates. So you can use some already built templates. So here these are very good templates which you can use in the project. So like this is the template. What you need to do is whatever template you want to use, you can just click on it and you can click on duplicate and you can use it in your project. So like also this is a game which is created by someone. So you can also make any game or app or any functionality you can add or any website you want. So you can just do that. Okay, and this is a game. So this game is also have has been, you know, created through using this website. So you can also create some game as you want. Okay, so that's pretty much about this website. I hope uh, this will help you in some way. And if you face any issue, then you can just comment me in the video and I will get back to your query.